What's up, people, and welcome back to another beautiful day in North Carolina. And today is Saturday, and I don't know if you guys know that we have a broken stove, so we cannot cook anything on stove. So Tanya and I, we just ran some errands. We went outside and we came back and we are cooking something inside of our grill. Now before I tell you what I'm cooking inside, you better go hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. Assuming that you have hit the subscribe button already and the bell icon next to it, let me tell you what's cooking inside this. So I am making a California pizza kitchen style pizza. It's a thin crust and it's just tomatoes and some mozzarella cheese. Let's take a sneak peek. Yes, I have just threw it inside, so the cheese has to start to bubble and everything. So let's wait for that. And Astro is outside with me. I don't know why Marvel is not coming out. He is inside. And like I said, we just got some groceries and stuff. So Tanya is like arranging all the groceries into fridge and refrigerator. And one thing that we are excited about is Krispy Kreme donuts. We finally got some Krispy Kreme donuts in Florida where we live. We did not have any Krispy Kreme near us, and we both love their donuts. And finally when we moved here, we have Krispy Kreme near us, so we finally got some Krispy Kreme donuts assortment package. So we are really excited about that.
And I think they don't know that Astro is living with us for a week.
And like you might have heard, Astro is staying with us for a little while because his parents, Nitish and Ashley, are visiting Ashley's parents back in Florida for Christmas. So this guy is gonna have a Christmas with us. So we are super excited. Alrighty, so you guys saw our pizza came out super perfect, super delicious. Comment and let me know what is one thing without which you can't have pizza. And for us, it's chili flakes. We need chili flakes on a pizza no matter what kind of pizza it is. Yeah. So we have topped it up with some chili flakes and you guys saw how delicious it looks. So we are gonna go enjoy our pizza.
Yes. Right, so we are basically arranging and a little bit of cleaning our garage. You can see we parked our car outside so we can clean up, and we'll show you what we are doing in our garage. So yeah, just stay tuned and we'll show it to you.
So we have cancelled our plans to grill for the evening, and you guys have no idea what has happened. So basically the plans got cancelled because we got a little overwhelmed with the whole situation of leaving Marvel and Astro in the backyard. We normally don't do that when the backyard is wet because the grass is not too good right now, and we are waiting for springs to come so we can do the lawn nicely and everything. But until then, there is this whole patch which is totally muddy, and because of the rain and the ice and everything, it's like super wet. And Astro just ran back and forth and did his sprints with Marvel, and Marvel just pinned him down on that. So he got so dirty that we have to give both of them a mini bath, so that like wet towel, clean them up real nicely, fill the tub with the water, and you know, soak their feet and everything. And it took forever to do that. So lesson for today: do not leave them, both of them, outside to play in the muddy grass. But anyways, they had their fun. We decided not to eat burgers for the night, so we may grill tomorrow. But for now, we have ordered panera bread. Tanya is gonna relive her memories, maybe a little. We haven't eaten panera bread in such a long time. And also it's so goddamn cold that we
I didn't even see that.
I'm like trying to warm my feet a little here, and Tanya is eating
Blueberry yogurt.
Yep, she's eating a yogurt, and we have already placed the order. It feels like having some soup to Tanya, so she's getting a bowl of broccoli cheddar soup, and I am getting margarita, like a flatbread with some soup. So we are gonna have
margarita in the afternoon.
And now I'm having it again from Panera.
You guys know how much of a pizza lover he is.
Yes. So basically that's what we are having. My first experience with Panera with their pizza wasn't too good, but I know that some kids working back in the kitchen at that time didn't make it right. So I just want to give them another chance and see how they make it today. But if it turns out bad again, then I'm just never having Panera pizza ever. So let's see how it turns out. We always got so many other good pizza places around here. So anyways.
Do you want to use this?
No, my feet are warm, nice and warm. So I'm good. So well, that is the update that's going on. So finally, me being lazy today, not wanting to go outside, is being successful because you, Marvel.
Also, let me.
Why are you drooling? He.
Come on.
Look.
Come
Look
on,
over there.
Come on, let's go.
He just drooled on the couch. Right over there, right over here, where I'm pointing. Anyways, we got a little sidetracked, and that's what I wanted to let you guys know, that the plan has completely changed. So we are just waiting for our food to get delivered, and the puppies are playing around. We are watching Bhag Bini Bhag. I don't know how many of you guys have watched Bhag Bini Bhag, but we are watching it right now. It is super duper fun, and of course we are at that episode where it gets super intense.
It's on Netflix.
It's
right?
on Netflix, yes. So if you guys haven't watched it, feel free to watch it. I'm not gonna spoil for anybody. Alright guys, so I guess we are off to bed, and I don't know if you guys have seen our Christmas tree, but anyways, we actually ended up finishing Bhag Bini Bhag, and it's a good series, must watch. Go check it out. You will, I think, enjoy it. But we had a fun, and I think they ended up at a point where you want more. So I guess a couple more episodes would have done it some good. But anyways, so Thana is just finishing up some work. Not some work actually, she's just finishing up some kitchen stuff, and balloons are still there from our anniversary. We didn't want to take it off. So anyways, we are ready to hit the bed, but do not sleep. We are just gonna watch maybe a movie, and after that we'll sleep. But for you guys, we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, stay safe, have fun, enjoy the holidays, and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.